We start with the equation 3x plus 5 equals 20 and need to find the value of x. To solve for x, we use inverse operations to isolate x on one side of the equation. First, subtract 5 from both sides to remove the constant term on the left side. This gives us 3x plus 5 minus 5 equals 20 minus 5, simplifying the equation. Simplifying the left side, 5 minus 5 cancels out, leaving 3x equals 15. Next, divide both sides by 3 to isolate x since 3 is multiplied by x. Dividing 3x by 3 and 15 by 3 simplifies to x equals 15 divided by 3. The division cancels the 3 on the left, so x equals 5. Therefore, the solution to the equation is x equals 5. 3 equal x bars and 5 extra units balance 20 units. Remove the same 5 extra units from both sides. 15 units remain for the 3 equal bars. The 15 units arrange into 3 matching groups of 5. Each x is 5.